Grand Rising. My name's Hannah and welcome to this morning yoga video. We'll be releasing tightness in the back, hips, and shoulders. When you're ready, come to lay down on your mat. We're beginning on our backs. Keep the right leg extended, resting heavy on the mat as you squeeze your left knee into your chest. Draw circles with the left toes rolling through the ankle. And then reversing your circle if you haven't already. Kick the left foot up to grab the outside of the foot, coming into half happy baby. If your hand doesn't reach your foot, that's okay. You can grab the ankle or the shin. And if you need to bring the right foot up, that's fine too. Use your breath here to create space in the area you're feeling this stretch. If your right leg isn't already bent, go ahead and bring it up. We'll cross the left ankle on top of the right knee, creating a figure 4. If you're already feeling a stretch through the outside of the left hip, then stay here. Thread your hands through to the back of the right leg and pick up the foot, drawing the legs in closer. Option to leave the head resting on the floor. Or if you want to tap into some core strength, you can pick the head up, bringing the chin into the chest, activating through the abdomen. Rest both feet back down flat on the mat. Take them a little wider, and we'll rotate the knees left to right. Extend the left leg out long on the mat and squeeze the right knee into your chest. Draw circles with the right toes, rolling through the ankle. Reverse your circle if you haven't already. Kick the right foot up so that you can grab the outside of the foot, pulling the knee into the armpit for a half happy baby. Modify this however you need to meet your body where it's at. Using your breath to create spaciousness wherever it is you're feeling this. If your left leg isn't bent, go ahead, step the left foot up flat on the mat, crossing the right ankle on top of the other knee. Staying here if this is enough, or reaching your hands through to grab the back of your leg. Option to leave the head down, or pick up the head, activating through the core. breathe into the area you're feeling the stretch. Keep energy through both the feet. Relax the legs down and take the soles of the feet together, opening the knees out left to right. Apply gentle pressure to the tops of your legs. Keep really soft here through the belly, and you might discover your ability to decompress your lumbar spine. Bring the knees back into close, turn to one side, and use your hands to push yourself all the way up to a seat. Swing the legs around and make your way to all fours, stacking the joints. Drop the belly as you gaze up to the sky. Stick your bum out as much as you can. And then exhale as you round through the spine. Bring the chin to chest and pretend you're a dog with its tail between its legs. Keep this movement going, bending the spine each way. Find neutral spine. Walk the hands out a little more ahead of you. Curl the toes under and send the hips up high and back to down dog. Push the floor even further away from you as you try to make your body into the shape of an upside down V. You should be feeling a good stretch through the entire backs of the legs. Create as much surface area in your armpits as you possibly can by melting the chest down even more towards the ground. Lift the heels as you wave the body forward to a high plank. And then squeeze your elbows into the side as you lower all the way down to the belly. Tend to your fingertips just outside of the top corners of the mat as you inhale to look up, gently arching your spine. Lower the head so that the forehead's resting gently on the mat. And float your hands around behind you so that your fingers are interlacing right on top of your bum. Inhale as you lift the head and chest off the mat. Pretend someone's pulling your hands down towards your feet. Feel all the muscles of your back body engage. Option to stay here or lift the legs off the floor, coming into your variation of locust pose. remembering that these poses look different on everyone. Release the hands with control, and then cactus the elbows, lots of space here. Lift everything up even more. Relaxing everything down to the mat with a big sigh. Plant the hands next to the chest like you're going to do a push-up, and lift your body up and back, coming back to downward facing dog. Shake the head yes to self-love and positivity. Shake the head no to any self-doubt. Look to the front of the mat as you step the left foot up between the hands, coming into low lunge. Keep your lunge a little shorter and closer together. Bring your left elbow on top of the right. Staying here, just giving yourself a big hug, or option to wind the forearms and wrists around each other, coming into eagle arms. Think like a dog with its tail between its legs here, so keep your core engaged. And we'll inhale to look up towards the sky, taking your arms up. Exhaling to round through the spine, take your arms down. Inhale, bring your arms up, lift the heart, gaze at the sky. Exhale, lower the arms and head back down. Inhale to look up towards the sky, taking your arms up. Exhale, lower the arms and head back down. Releasing the arms. Plant your hands, framing the front foot, and step it back to down dog. Option for a vinyasa here. Come up high onto the balls of the feet. Roll your body forward to a high plank position and lower all the way to the belly. Rest on your fingertips close by your chest here. Push your body and chest up into cobra. Lower all the way back down to the belly. Push-up or assisted push-up lifts you high, and send your hips back for downward dog. Step the right foot up in between the hands, lowering the back knee. Find low lunge on the other side. Keep your lunge a little smaller and conservative here. Bring your left arm on top of the right, giving yourself a big hug, or winding the forearms and wrists around each other for eagle arms. Inhale, take your gaze up, bring your arms with you, but keep your dog with its tail between its legs action going. Exhale, bring the arms back down, chin to chest. Inhale, lift your gaze and arms back up. Exhale, bring your arms and your gaze back down. Keep moving between these two postures. Bring the hands back down to frame the front foot and step it back to down dog. Take slow steps with the feet up to meet the hands in forward fold at the top of the mat. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, lower all the way back down into your forward fold. Bring yourself all the way up to a standing position. Bring the hands to prayer over your head and slowly lower to prayer at heart center. Thank you so much for following along. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this flow. And as always, I hope you're happy, well, and at peace. Bye for now.